I'm up early, and well, I say early, it's like 7 o'clock. It's a cold, old, wet, old, miserable old day here in Wales, and this is the 1st of November 2019, and I thought I'd track my month's fitness and diet program and stuff like that. So I'm going to be vlogging every time my meals, and I'm going to be vlogging my workouts. So let's make our way through this rain and get to my little gym. Grey old miserable day. It's like the sun's come up. This is my little gym. It's only a 6x4 shed, but it's self-sufficient, and I got the heating on. Oh, lovely. I put the heating on early hours of the morning. I got a little, let's just shut the door. It's stuck because it's swollen in the rain. I've got a timer switch, and heating's come on, the lights are come on, it's brilliant. I've got my phone set up, I've got my ear pods, which are important because it's good to listen to music, gets you motivated as well. I've got my board all worked out last night, just put them there safe. My activity board. I worked out a full body workout there. You can see like these resistance bands, that's these things there I've got in the corner, and these, there we are, these are resistance bands. There's my skipping rope. Body weight squats, calf raises, steam engines, crunches, blah 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 blah. Chest 1, 2 and 3, that's basically this thing there. This goes on the floor, then you do your push-ups and things. So I incorporate that as well, along with some planks and then Russian twists, and I do that 3 times. This is another workout then, this abs only, that's another workout. That's over 3 sets. That's just bike crunches, bridges, crunches, leg raises, Russian twists. I'll go through all this when we do it. There's my bench press workout. I've got a bench press there, and I've got some dumbbells down there. Again, 3 sets of those, and I got arms and chest. It's basically a mixture of those 2 there. And this is my chart. So I go from a Thursday to a Thursday because I weigh in Weight Watchers on a Thursday. That's the scales I get on now. I'm maintaining my weight, so that's important. I'm on maintenance now. I lost 4 stone, that's over 50 pounds in weight. My current weight is 12 stone 8.2, and I've been like that now for 3 days on the trot. Now, even though I monitor the scales in the Weight Watchers, I don't actually go by them as such, because I weigh every single morning. I woke up this morning, went and done my ablutions, cleaned my teeth, washed my face, went down on the scales. And that scale is works out everything, your body fat, your BMI. I'll post that on you. But it sends a little electrical current through the body and reads all this information for you. And it works out your average weight at the end of the week. So if you weigh every day, it says this is what you averaged this week, which is good. That's a good thing. That is a good thing. Okay, so looking at the board, I've got calories in. There we are. That's what calories I took in yesterday, because I said I'm on a maintenance now. I'll go through that again. I haven't put on what I burned yesterday, but I'll normally put that minus that. That's going to give me a plus or a minus, whether I'm in deficit or not for that particular activity. There's my current weight, which I'll be adding in there again today. And this is what I've worked out for this week. This morning I'm going to do a 60-minute cardio, and then I'm going to do my arms and chest this afternoon. And then Saturday then I'm just going to do a HIIT, which is a HIIT 3-set cardio workout in the morning. Then I rest, and then Monday, and then I rest. And sometimes I change these activities up because I've started going to the gym. Further ado, let's get this body moving, let's say. Okay, so that's basically the first day of the month. So I'm currently 12.8, 12 stone 8.2. I'm going to measure my arms, my chest and all that type of thing again, because I did it last month, and I want to compare that. Only compare to yourself, that's important. You've got to compare to yourself. So right, let's get this party started. First thing I'm going to do is set my Fitbit. I'll do a little review on this one actually. Right, I'm going to do a 3-minute warm-up. There's no point in me filming all this because I'm going to be out of puffs in a minute. So this is going to be one set. I'm going to do 32 minutes of this, and then I thought I was going to do 60 minutes, but I'm going to do 35 minutes of this actually. So this is going to be worked out in sections. You've got high intensity and then low intensity. It's called high intensity workout. So okay, so I'm going to set my tension onto the computer here, get that started and get up to a certain level of resistance. So I'm all ready. I'm just going to continue with the workout, and I'll see you at the end of it. Halfway. These high intensity workouts are really intense. Okay, see you on the flip side. The low tempo, and then we're going to kick in to high tempo. My pulse is currently 144 beats a minute. I'm going to raise it up a bit more in the next session. So we got a high tempo coming up. Need to push it now. Should say beads of sweat. That means I'm burning fat. I'm also exhaling quite rapidly now. I'm out of puff. So the more I puff, the more fat I'm burning. So, and with an HIIT, this means that I keep burning calories for the rest of the day, which is pretty good. Right, high intensity coming up. Woohoo! Burning now, burning legs are burning. I'm in recovery now. Make sure you drink plenty of fluids. I've got a little bit of energy protein in this, and it's just squash basically. It's not tap water, it's bottled water. Very important to keep hydrated. Cooling down is very important. You need to get your heart rate back down. After this, I'm going to do a little bit of stretching, and then I might do some dumbbell curls just on the arms, because I'm building my arms and chest up at the moment. I'm only going to do maybe 2 sets of that, just to calm myself down, and then that's the workout done for this morning. So I've got a arms and chest workout planned for this afternoon, so I shall show you what that looks like. I'm just going to relax for 5 minutes. So that's the end of my morning workout. Oh, right. Now I've got to reset the the little gym. I've got to move my bike, set up my bench press, because I want to work on my chest a little bit again this afternoon. I'm going to be working on my chest this week. I got a gym on Wednesday, so... Oh, right, let's reset the gym, and that's me done. So we got the bench set up. I got my weights over there. So I'm all ready for this afternoon now. Nice. Whew.